The importance of having a valid personal directive and power of attorney prior to traveling on vacation. While vacation preparations are most frequently focused on booking flights and hotels, obtaining travel insurance and packing suitcases, it is imperative that you and your loved ones have legally valid personal directives and powers of attorney in advance of your departure to foreign tourist destinations. Life is unpredictable, and emergencies don't pause just because you are in a different time zone. Establishing a personal directive and a power of attorney ensures that if the unexpected happens, you have a legal voice when you might not be able to speak for yourself. Traveling often places you and your loved ones in unfamiliar environments where the legal and medical systems differ from your own. A personal directive acts as your medical voice, outlining your healthcare preferences and appointing a representative to make decisions if you become incapacitated. Without this document, medical professionals in a foreign jurisdiction may be forced to follow local protocols that conflict with your personal wishes, or your family may face grueling legal hurdles to gain the authority needed to help you. Simultaneously, a power of attorney handles your life back home and your financial interests while you are away or incapacitated. If an accident occurs abroad, you may need someone to access your bank accounts to pay for emergency medical transport, manage your mortgage, or handle insurance claims. A power of attorney grants a trusted individual the legal right to manage these logistics, preventing your financial life from stalling or collapsing during a crisis. Having these critical legal documents in place provides an essential safety net for you and your loved ones. In the high-stress environment of a medical emergency, the last thing your family needs is the burden of guessing your wishes or fighting a legal battle to access your funds. By clearly defining your advocates and instructions, you remove the guesswork and emotional strain from your family, allowing them to focus entirely on your recovery and well-being. Furthermore, advance planning ensures cross-border clarity. While laws vary by country, having signed, witnessed, and notarized documents provides a clear baseline of intent that foreign legal and medical entities can recognize. It acts as a bridge between your home country's protections and the reality of your current location. It is the ultimate insurance policy that covers the gaps where standard travel insurance ends. Ultimately, the peace of mind offered by these critical legal documents is invaluable. Knowing that your health, finances, and family are protected allows you to fully immerse yourself in your travels. You aren't just planning for the worst, you're securing the best possible outcome for yourself and your estate, ensuring that a temporary setback doesn't turn into a permanent life complication. To learn more about our law firm's legal practice with respect to wills, personal directives, and powers of attorney, we welcome you to visit our website or contact our law firm to schedule a confidential consultation. Thank you.